What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Joe here again, and we're gonna do, I guess it's kind of a tractor related video, but I mean it could be car related, although most new cars don't have grease fittings. But either way, it is grease gun related. We are going to look at Harbor Freight's little locking grease coupler, the old LockNLube knockoff. So check it out. So here we are. I got a tractor here. Every 10 hours of use, we need to grease everything. It feels like there's about 400 grease fittings. So it becomes kind of a pain doing the old school turn this on and off to lock it onto the fitting. And it's messy. I'm kind of a Sally when it comes to that. I don't like getting greasy, dirty, messy. So just not an enjoyable thing. As you can see, I don't do a whole lot of greasing anyways, because this is my cute little grease gun. It uses these little like single shot dealies, but it works out perfect. I don't do a whole lot of greasing. The only thing I do is tractor. Every car I own is too new to have grease fit. So these are kind of nice because this does, there's a little 3-ounce shot. This does 1 run of greasing on the tractor. So I do the tractor, toss this guy out. I don't have to store a leaky grease gun around. Yeah, so let's get on to this guy. This is Holt Industries locking grease coupler. This looks to be kind of a bit of a knockoff on the old LockNLube, which is the industry standard from what I can tell. This guy is $19.99. Looks like LockNLube has some between $29.99 and $39.99 on Amazon. I'll throw links up to all 3 of them or whatever in the description down below, just so you can kind of see and make your own decision. I probably would have just bought the LockNLube for the extra $10 instead of a Harbor Freight. Well, let's see what it even is. It's probably made in China, but 100% sure it would be made in China. But either way, I would have bought the LockNLube one, but I was not able to find one locally, and this was local. So that instant gratification, that was nice for me. But I will spit this guy open here and see. Does not say where it's made, so I'm going to go with China. It's a good bet with Harbor Freight, China. Oh, nope. I did find it. It is made in India. I apologize. Well, right there. Made in India. I apologize for just assuming. You know what they say, you make a out of you and me. But either way, the whole purpose of this guy is it's got the 3 little jaws there. And it's open now. Or I mean, I guess it's, let me rephrase that. It's closed right now. Yeah. Lever that down and that opens it up. Stick it onto the greaser, let up, locked in. Just got your normal little I think 1/8 inch NPT thread there. So we will take off this ancient style, dirty style coupler off, and hopefully this will be a thing of the past. The only thing I can see might be an issue is the sheer size, and depending on your application, this is quite a bit bigger of a deal, so may not fit where you need to clear. But either way, we'll get this swapped over. All right, so we got this little Holt guy installed. Got a little clicky, you got to do the tong test, make sure it works. Got a couple fittings here. Normally this would be like with the old one, screw on, some gloves, hold towel around it, squirt grease everywhere. This, or process for me, I should say at least. There's probably people who are better at this than me. Actually, not probably. there is people who are better at this than me. But yeah, we'll see how this works. We kind of ramrod her. Well, actually, that's nice. So yeah, just hold it, barrier on there. I don't know if you can see, I'll kind of zoom out a little bit here, but I'm maybe even more so you can see my hand. I'm tugging on that guy pretty good. So it does actually have pretty good gription. So we'll give her a few pumps. See what kind of squeeze some new grease through. And yeah, I'll be damned. Look at my hand. My hand's clean, not full of grease. No glove, no nothing. We'll do another one. This is actually, I may enjoy this a little bit more now. Huh. And let's move on. Look at that. So there is the mess to clean up. Clean all around there. All right, quick little video, but we're over. That's all it needed. If you don't have one of these, whether it's the LockNLube or the Holt, get one. I would have never thought it'd be that slick. That'll make my least favorite job of owning the tractor a lot more tolerable. I hated greasing. It's probably going to take less than half the time now. And I'm not even kidding about that. So yeah, that is the Holt Industries locking grease coupler, Harbor Freight number 56123, link down below. You don't have one, get one. Get that, get the LockNLube, get whatever you want, but that's just a satisfying sound and way easier to do. As always, guys, appreciate you watching. You like the video, throw me a thumbs up, subscribe. I don't like begging, but whatever, I guess I do like begging. Either way, subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching. As always, have a good night, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.